As a parent and a lifelong Tangled fan, this ride at Tokyo DisneySea felt like a dream come to life. Here are the nostalgic moments in the Tangled ride that every fan of the movie will love. The ride begins with Rapunzel singing, "When Will My Life Begin?" slowly, gently, high up in her tower. The boat moves in perfect rhythm with the music, and honestly, after waiting months for this trip and standing in line for what felt like forever, I couldn't help but smile. When will my ride begin? And then everyone looks up, mouths open, eyes wide, and there she is, Rapunzel. It's a shared moment of wonder. Pure Disney magic. Flynn versus Maximus, a laugh-out-loud moment. Suddenly the tone shifts. Flynn is hiding from Maximus, while Max sniffs him out like a royal bloodhound. The figures are so realistic it feels like you're right there with them. There's even a beautiful waterfall beside Rapunzel's tower, just like in the movie. Fun fact, it was inspired by Yosemite, California. The giggles from kids and grown-ups add to the charm of this moment. Rapunzel's taste of freedom. Next up, Rapunzel swings around a tree, eyes sparkling. It's her first taste of freedom, and it's captured so beautifully. Flynn stands nearby, quietly amused. And as a parent, I felt that moment deeply. Rapunzel reminded me of how we felt as kids, running wild, full of wonder. And Flynn? That's us now, watching our kids soak in the joy of discovery. It's perfect. A quick glimpse of the Snuggly Duckling. It's just a peek, but it made me smile. And a little reminder, don't forget to visit the Snuggly Duckling Restaurant just outside the ride. It's packed with Easter eggs from the movie. The healing hand and true selves revealed. The mood softens. Rapunzel gently heals Flynn's hand. This is where they let their walls down. She shows him her magic hair, and he reveals his real name. The expressions, especially on Flynn, are so real, they'll stay with you long after the ride ends. The lanterns, the dream comes true. Then comes the moment we were all waiting for. The castle appears in the distance. Lanterns start to float, softly, slowly, surrounding your boat, and there, in a boat beside you, are Rapunzel and Flynn. Pascal is there too. Hundreds of lanterns rise around you in a glowing, breathtaking scene. I might be speaking for many fans when I say this was the moment that made me plan my trip to Japan. Your boat slowly circles theirs, giving you a closer look. Their expressions are so vivid, it genuinely feels like they're alive. Comic relief, the Duckling crew returns. As the ride winds down, a final moment of laughter. The Snuggly Duckling crew is back. The old man in a Cupid costume, Big Nose dreaming of romance, and the guy who collects unicorn figurines. It's silly, it's random, and it's the perfect send-off. Murals and reality. The murals on the walls gently welcome you back to reality. After the dreamlike journey, it's a soft way to say goodbye. What stays behind? For children, it's magic. For Tangled fans, it's a wish fulfilled. And for parents like me, it's a ride that makes you feel both the wonder of childhood and the joy of watching your child discover theirs. Rapunzel's Lantern Festival isn't just a ride, it's a memory that glows softly inside you, like the lanterns